What is an identifier? The term identifier means name of something. It can be the name of a variable, name of a function, etc. So in a Python program, when you give name for a variable, name of something or identifier should not contain space. It's a rule. So total space sum cannot be the name of a variable. So if you want to correct it, you can write them together so that it's a correct variable name or function name, in general identifier, or you can put an underscore. So this is a correct variable name. Again, name of a variable should start either with an alphabet or underscore. Name of a variable or identifier should not start with a digit. So this is not a correct variable name. So if you want to make it a correct variable name, just write it like this. This is a correct variable name. Again, identifier or name of variable should not contain special symbols. So full stop, question mark, comma, they are not allowed as part of variable name. So identifier should not contain special symbols. Again, identifier should not be a superscript or subscript. Anyway, when you do the Python program, you cannot type like this. So in practical, we will not give variable names like this. But for the theory exam, suppose if you give a variable name like this, it's a mistake because name of a variable, name of a function, in general, identifier should not contain superscript and subscript. Finally, identifier should not be a keyword. So if you give print as a variable name or a function name, it's a mistake. It's a keyword. So this cannot be a variable name. Okay, so these are the important points to be borne in mind connected with identifiers. Now, how will the question come for the board exam? The question comes like this: which of the following can be used as valid variable identifiers in Python? So, out of these four, which are the correct identifiers? Can option number one be a correct identifier? No, because it starts with a digit. Identifier or variable name should not start with a digit. It should start either with an alphabet or underscore. So this cannot be a variable name or identifier. Can option number two be an identifier? Yes, it starts with an alphabet. So this is a correct variable name or identifier. Can option number three be an identifier? No. And the reason is variable name or identifier should not contain special symbols. Okay, so this cannot be an identifier. Can option number four be an identifier? Yes, variable name identifier should start either with an underscore or alphabet. So it starts with an underscore. So this can be a variable name. So out of these four options, the correct identifiers are option number two and option number four. So this is how the question comes for the board exam.